All right, guys, so let's look at Unit 1, Lesson 10, called Changing Scales in Scale Drawings. The warm-up is called Appropriate Measurements. If a student uses a ruler like this to measure the length of their foot, which choices would be appropriate measurements? Select all that apply. Be prepared to explain your reasoning. So, I want to annotate my question first. So what it wants us to do is to look at this ruler that's right here. And it wants us to say which answer choices, which I'm going to circle my questions, would be appropriate for this type of measurements. Okay? So let's look at inches. All right? One thing that I noticed about the inches is that it's broken up into 1/8. So the inches on this ruler, so I'm going to get rid of that 1 inch. The inches on the ruler is broken up into 1/8. I'm going to put separated in parts of 1/8. How do I know that? Is because this is 1 tick mark, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 8/8 will equal 1 whole. The centimeters, on the other hand, is in sections of 10. So the centimeters are broken up in parts of 10, or 1/10. So here's what I mean by that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will make 1 centimeter. So I'm going to look at this ruler and I'm going to select the answer choices that I could possibly get from using this ruler. So let's look at choice A. Choice A says 9 1/4 inches. Could that be a possible measurement that you get from using this ruler? If you guess yes, you are absolutely correct, because being that the inches are broken up into 1/8, you could definitely get 1/4 from this, and 1/4 would be right here. Okay, and you could definitely get 9 inches by using this ruler as well. So yes. Is it possible to get 9 5/64? No. Okay, no. All right, what about the next one for centimeters? Look at that big long decimal, that number with all those numbers behind the decimal point. Could you get this measurement? Or let's not say if you can get it, because you probably could get it, but is it an appropriate measurement? Think about that. Is it an appropriate measurement? Nope. Okay. What about choice D? 23 5/10. If you guess yes, you are absolutely correct. Being that the centimeters are broken up into tenths, you can get 5/10 out the centimeters. Okay, let's look at part E, or choice E. Could you get this on the ruler? Is it an appropriate measurement? If you guess no, you are also correct. So let's move on to the next part. It says, here's a scale drawing of an average 7th grade student's foot next to a scale drawing of a foot belonging to the person with the largest feet in the world. Estimate the length of the larger foot. So this is the average 7th grader foot, and this is the person with the largest feet. So it wants you to estimate the length of the larger foot. So of course, in class, we probably would have given you guys a ruler, told you guys to measure your own foot, and then I would have, put things more in perspective, saying, well, if your foot is this size, or maybe we could have even Googled it, what size shoe would you think that the person with the largest feet in the world would have? Okay, so I want you guys to think about that and go to your Google Classroom and answer this question.